House Bills 429, 430, 431, 432, and 436 are the 5 bills, and they're actually taking different tacks on the way that we do the reporting. 429, expand employee protection. If you report a suspected child abuser, you're going to receive some of the same protections that are in the Whistleblower Act. So that's a good thing, because sometimes you're fearful of turning somebody in because you think there's going to be repercussions by your employer. So this is a good piece of protection that'll be in place. 431 and 432 is going to require the child abuse training for any organization, company, etc., that have to go through either the Department of State or the Department of Public Welfare to get their license. So they're going to be required to do 3 hours of training initially, and then 3 hours of training on a periodic basis on how to determine if the child in front of you has had abuse done to them. And then lastly is 436, House Bill 436, which is going to expand the number of mandated reporters and actually give them a little more duties as far as their requirements are going to be. And one of those is our school employees, which prior, we haven't done this yet, they have to get the bill passed, but we have a school teacher reports to the principal, or principal reports to the superintendent, and the superintendent then reports to the child line, or whoever they're going to report to, law enforcement. And so what happens is we're now going to make the teacher, if that teacher suspects child abuse, they're going to go and be required to actually call child line or law enforcement. So keep your eyes on these bills, and as we move forward to bring child abuse, bring it to not existing in Pennsylvania.